Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. Today we are going to start chapter number 8 with exercise number 1. So our exercise number 1 about apply profile styles. Before starting this video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Civil 3D Pro Designer, and you can also access me through my Facebook page Civil 3D Pro Designer. Let's start our exercise number 1 for chapter number 8. Apply profile styles. As with any object style, we can use profile styles to show profiles in different ways for different purposes. Specifically, we can use profile styles to affect the appearance of profiles in three basic ways. The first is to control which component of the profile are visible. You might be surprised to know that there are potentially 8 different components of a profile, and you can change a profile's appearance dramatically by changing the visibility of those components. The second is to control the graphical properties of the components, such as layer, colors, line, type, and so on. Finally, a profile style enables you to control the display of markers and at key geometric points along the profile. Once again, you might be surprised at the number of types of points that can be marked along a profile. There are 11 of them. So in this exercise number 8, apply profile styles, we will assign different profile styles to a profile and observe the different ways profile can be represented. As usually we will use steps to go with our exercise. We have step number 1, open the drawing name profile styles located in the description link. I have already opened that drawing. If you can't download, please write down a comment for me. I will provide you that personally. So step number 2, in the Jordan code profile, when you will zoom out, you can see we have 3 profile: Jordan code profile, and another one Medicine Lane. The third one we have Logan Court. We have profile view of Jordan Court profile. In this profile view, we need to select red existing ground profile. How you will proceed with existing ground profile, that it is our existing or it is our finish. You can hover your cursor and it will tell you it is your existing ground profile, so you need to select. Then click profile properties on the ribbon. Here we have contextual tab. Select profile properties, and then step number 3, on the information tab of the profile properties dialog box, change the styles to no display. Here you have information tab, and then object style need to select no display. Then click OK. You can see it disappear from the view. So step number 4, press escape to clear the selection of the existing ground profile. Then click the black design profile. It is not black actually, it's white for now, but if you will convert them into PDF, you can see it will black line. So you need to select this black design profile for Jordan code also, and right click and select properties. You can right click and you can also select that from the contextual tab. Step number 5. In the properties window, change the style. Here you have style and you need to convert, you need to change with layout. Okay, you can see, and press escape to clear the grips. The profile now shows curves and lines as different colors, and includes marker that clearly indicates where there are key geometric points of the profile. This might be helpful while you are in the process of laying out the profile, but it may not work well when you are using the profile to create a final drawing. So step number 6, select the Jordan code profile again. In the properties window, change the styles to basics. Here we have basics. You can change them to basics. Step number 7, change the style to design profile with marker. Again, it was another scenario of the styles, and when you will select design profile with marker, press escape. This style is an example of how you might represent a profile in a final drawing. So you have idea now for that how you will represent your drawing in the final submission for any project. Display lines and curves on the standard road profile layer. Include markers that are typically used for annotation, and shows the line extension as dashes line. Step number 8. In prospector, expand. Now we will going to show our existing profile which was no display. Here before we was have a red line, but now we have not. So how can we get back that? You can go to the tool space, prospector tab, then expand the alignment, expand the center line alignment. You can extend that a little bit to see full item. Then it was in the Jordan code, so expand the Jordan code. Then it was profile, so expand profiles, and then you can see EGCL. It was existing ground center line. So select and right click, then properties. Now you can see it was object style with no display. So you need to change that with no display, and you can do it existing ground profile which was before. Select this style and click OK. You can see now we have a red line same like before. Hope you like this video. In this video you have get 2 tips. The one that how you can apply your profile styles to your existing and ground profile in layout for final submission and for the designing purposes also. You have seen many design for the profiles, and you also learn that if you have done no display with any profile, then how can you get back that with a function using in prospector tab? Hope you like this video. If you are new in my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe Civil 3D Pro Designer and press the bell icon to get latest notification. Thank you. Goodbye.